Auntie Dennis Miracle Sabuaje, any TikTokers, Abe send a strong warning to John Mahama and in the NDC government. It's a omushe. Na Obama can't Ghana for say economy najija because of USA, Iran, Dubai, Israel war. Yem pay BAT. Obama send a warning to them. Me man chirimu no akere wadwen amame. Ewo comment section. Ayi Penyah block media. Mess wa say need you. Obe like video no other one, put subscribe button, stand back the key verification corner this update, and better why join the mama ewo comment. I don't so baswa. Not your boss any biashe. Osha memoir Ekufo ebebu from 2017 to 2024. In fact, ni tira or starting 2016 or start 2017 2020. Maybe I fine till that time no. Na inflation. Ada so jina de jina na inflation wo de jina 4 solid years. The economy was stabilized 4 solid years until 2020 and somewhere February COVID-19 kodiewo yale kodiewo COVID-19 eyi ni ti o wiata funa na ebi kan Ghana then ebeji jawiase economy no ema even the almighty America crown ebi kan wo mu as a Ghana it mbo ehoma de kakra emu a na dima ko wie 2021 as economy no ese peke bank kakra out of nowhere 2022 February mu ana Russia and Ukraine for them to come here for so and then emra mesa si bomb e di akoni aba hwe ana is they are in the Middle East and anytime there will be a situation in the Middle East no it has a negative impact on Brent crude so omu na in fact we are seeing an supply crude oil and as oil fango no Brent crude omu larger part it omu kase empuno enhia na ehye omu kase ye tip fuel so ye teso ye tum omu na determine the price on the world market a Brent crude omu so fall within Middle East Middle East ehonomo it abra Russia Ukraine one start ye no omu lucky omu niema ema petrol boy in fact overnight a shooty from $55 crude oil price from $55 per barrel to $140 per barrel. Lenye easy. From $55 per barrel to $140 per barrel. Overnight. Just 190. That's already. Ne boni ko shim. Ema Ghana ha petrol koya ko do almost 19 cedis. Ema na this equate nam 20 cedis ene chiri. No na this one day yastic ene chu e dey tua pia ana mo time petrol koya ko do hwan cedis koya ko do den hwan nene yom da so kan senken pipi na teso a anka mara ye top petrol 80 cedis na omu refi that time dey ba dey na cost ye before say Russia Ukraine one be start na petrol board that say omu apply common sense any calculation even they will not apply little common sense emusa say okay before Russia Ukraine war what was the price of fuel yemusa hwe obusa edebe mo hunu say okay is it true say the Russian Ukraine war it really had negative impact on Ghana's economy and the world economy at large and now say Ekufo na bon they were not so interested in this simple calculation. All they were doing was what? Lambasting the Ekufo government. Emma, you can be a Ekufo government say, and you're the fault. A Russia-Ukraine war. Called Ghana, you produce crude oil. You got talk. You found ways to Ghana, you got talk neighbor. Anna baby, I will go to free no. Bibia cost so my boss was a see one more. Wow, got on ebe affect you, ebe count. But then this is fun tiasie dirty politics in tea. MP before can be almost said that Emma Semidian fee. TV so can same way.
Are we saying that these so-called global factors, COVID-19, Russia-Ukrainian war, affected Ghana more than it affected even Ukraine, which is at war with Russia? Why the bombs Putin is throwing to Ukraine? Are we having some of the bombs fall in Ghana here? So look, stop the flimsy and frivolous excuse.
That the argument that is being made that because of Ukraine, Russia, that is why in global crude price is about 140, 130, we are paying more. It is a deception. The people of this country, they are robbing you.
But how is it a deception?
It's a deception because we are now a net producer of fuel.
But how much are we benefiting from the fuel?
Well, even if we, for example...
And I'm told that, I mean, we part of the funds also goes to the free SHS.
Oh, but how much?
I mean, government has spent about 7 point something billion.
Russia and Ukraine's war has also featured prominently on the list of excuses. The Russia-Ukraine conflict cannot possibly be responsible for the suffering we're going through.
Kufuor and MP government should stop hiding behind Russia-Ukraine war. No munya say economy no munya niye no munya say obodo akotare COVID-19 and Russia-Ukraine war. I was even asking myself say it's like Mahama time and a COVID-19 unity and Ukraine and a Russia-Ukraine was abeka one and can send this for Ibeka. Brabuzia ya we she bone ema wo bi e Ghana na ye chire o man ye ye ma nyina but fofia ntwata jam triso anye almighty America any Iran edin to ko bi afros ama be to ko akoduru ndie enye izi Middle East ho asaka ama ene babro update abaka chire say Brent crude omo ede update abase crude oil bo e kosoro anopano na e kosoro by 10% enwumre e kosoro by 22%. It is likely said from Yamwachina Air Kubiano, fuel Bobetima Kokosro, a belco. I know, and Benevasa all with one sir, no show dear. And now say, a buy an MPP time, Omuka, Nandis Vacasia, Munya, Mambona, Massa, and a Munya Russian Crane was and same Nintendo. Israel, America, any Ukraine, Israel, America, Iran, Dubai, Fontoquano. Dennis Mirakasabuaje, and some of the TikTokers no catch the NDC government is said. Yes, remember with all due respect, bombo na America photo to no Ghana ni America kwa de kwawa, Ghana ni Iran, kwawa pa, eti bombo no, ebi nuru handa, eti wuye, na ma country say, and now USA Iran war tino, petrol bo ebe kosro, ye baby BT, over beside warden.
Over the weekend, and the US and Israel almost launched an attack on Iran. And I'm not going to say the Ayatollah almost supreme leader, and there's been several bombings across the city of Tehran and the whole nation of Iran. But Nyamiaya Dum, your mind via your fair Ghana, your president, His Excellency John Mahama actual fence war around Ghana, and then of course we are seeing fire. We want to thank God for the NDC. We have a government on the external and the other economics no heterogeneous factors no it being kayen. We don't fear any external factor be as by affect your petrol and I see a city and I say economy no we are beyond shocks as far as external shocks is concerned. We are beyond it because this is a governmental position. And they'll be a because we are CBN near the being Kayen. So, we want to thank God for President Mahama. We want to thank God for the NDC. Say, Yamia Adom, Yaba idea, what to war Afagana Hunan, any problem be at the Yokos we are say, self war, and I'm told say crude, a year to move $100 per barrel. Yeah, dear, you come home, yeah, dear, and fire home, yeah, dear, be my soul. It's a Ghana, dear, home. That was what we made to believe, and we will continually stick to this particular narrative. Say, Ghana is beyond any external shock. And now, call filling station Petronas as I want to believe say I had the full. It has absolutely nothing to do with the global occurrences. I want to thank the NDC, some boy, normal buana of my Ghana dear. Because we are here, yet being Kayen, yet dear, Yatu fire home. Bomb your moto, Aquaterani, a be mam a koto, a debeduka, a be ma Accra International Airport, a be ma ho, a be ma Kumasi, in Tiana, dear bomb, Nibi Bebaha, a tune of Fabi or Hasi. Shape never destroyers ye bini Ghana into any problem be and who say oil national see pigeon when the pump stations and for is around 11 city 50 pesos. I want to believe say at the forefront. It has absolutely nothing to do with external shocks because this government in opposition made us to believe say heterogeneous factors and not external shocks the Ghana and it is our own incompetence. Anything that goes on in this country be a dear or my Ghana as a result of whatever is going on and yet President John Mahama's incompetence and this NDC government's incompetence, it has absolutely nothing to do with any external shocks. That is what you made us to believe. You will continually stick to this narrative until thy kingdom come. And that's it.
Now, Israel and America, womu ejumomwedi on Iran. ye fa Iran na ye ka omaya omo produce oil export oil ye free more enye. Do you think say the SCCC ebetimi enya ensunsanso bi ewo yen sikasem so as online ana?
I want to be some question also.
No, but say we say ya DSC ni edi won ko.
Okay, let me roll you back.
Okay.
NDC forward opposition. Na nsembiri kodo wo wiase. About something working. If you answer me, I will answer you.
Me you want no dey nyima no.
Of course. If you man no, me you want. NDC time akufo ado ote godo. Nsembiri sisi Russia attack Ukraine. Ezibano bo akoso fertilizer no bo akoso oil prices now got affected. Na kufa do aben eze entutu se esra Ghana for the wonya botelman e ba sam na NDC fuka.
External factors into me and
minti ma won se no koso
me yi wa no.
What's that? NDC president
say enkomo e call so say mo mismanage the economy mo de kwese Russia and Ukraine. Na then external factors it me ba be hit mo sama mo de kwese wo mo.
Okay, so according to NDC, external factors affect the economy. That's what they said, correct? The principle hasn't changed.
But
their principle hasn't changed. One principle. In law, you say that you have adopted the views, the opinion of your learned colleague as though they were yours. So that principle. Yes, that's what they said. Sanity.
Okay. I was for Osahin Alexander Afenyo Markin.
US for aqua strike or Iran. Na do do na bisa senka Ghana for the air for home by. The TN say oil nya petrol ne ho ne ma nyina free mono. Ukọ adwama so na akọhwe won na wode ba na Iran for omoka ho. Emire bi atwam 2022 saa de ABC ewo Ukraine. Russia for so koto share on so da na ntokwa. Russia for Ukraine for one oil or the bar adwama so no. And I say utu no. What the Iran for the koto to ho Iran de ba ko bi aba Ukraine for the 2.5 eneba. Na do do na bi sa say Iran for na ekon Ghana de fa ho bay. The demand and supply models on the change and say BBNC na supply shock e ban in chain na eyen gigigigim na pejako e form na prices ko soro Ghana automatically e be kai the prices e be ko soro ama bi akai and none of minority for say na Russia Ukraine kro mo de oil bebre kro aba kra no NDC for say aban bon na ma yen petrol bo ko soro enya entokwa na siye no na Iran na omo de oil ketu abi no ko fio obi a expected price ebesesa to the minority for no ko mo say aban de botachi no you see omo so e de be boba
abusiafo me church obi a no pay Israel Iran and US ntakwa na hyasie e wo Middle East one mo sorry you know yet say omo say Israel and US akoto ahye Iran so abomo Iran enti Iran so ahye ne retaliatory attack so amene ka say Abu Dhabi o ma strike one mo nti o hwa Qatar Bahrain so o ma strike one mo nti o hwa those countries or more Middle East one Israel, Iran, Bahrain, Qatar, UAE. In fact, UAE no be close to airspace. I'm a years on flight. You must suspend all flights. Almost will be answered them. Now, somewhere Abano and yes, I'm going to about maybe per se. Maybe one year, my NDC for say, ye name da. Eye entekwa we ebe ende so eye short dia ende of our own interest and I say ni na ye na no ebe de but a fight ne etop koso na se eche dia ye nim de besi but ye mpese ebetie bibia fi NDC for say Iran Israel and American tekwano and Emma ebia fuel prices e ba kosoro na se NDC for munnim that's a munnim that's a mbakasa asem ne kire say because of Iran Israel and US mtekwa masha say na say ya ne enne mfa say 90 na fuel prices e ba kosoro a mo beti de e ba ka kire mo kumu mo beti enka e wo kuwe mu nje me ka kire mo entekwa na anya sha because Israel ni America anya ko strike Iran nti Iran so sha say air retaliatory wa sha say air counter on so sha say air to ni die and at the street of Hormuz so Iran akase obetum obokulu so street of Hormuz no and as street of Hormuz ni so ye nim nyoma e fa hono mo nti em pese mo ba ka kire say because of Israel US any Iran to continue ma fuel price e kosoro ye nim de ntia ma ye kasa nti warning na ye di ma NDC for from there because anya sha say on say fuel no sha say e kosoro mo amun to fuel e ka we a monti ase ya ye to fuel no you see the price of the fuel has started increasing and you know we are monitoring closely ye din tie hwe de be si akiri me mo bi achi.
You know, so Ghana is completely fine. We don't have to worry about the Iranian war or the Israeli war. Nothing will happen to us.
Why not?
Oh, we are okay.
50% of
oh, no,
oil.
No. We are fine. We won't be impacted.
Really?
The petrol prices.
Are you being sarcastic?
No,
because of course,
this is what they told us.
Okay, we're going somewhere.
This is what they told us.
Okay. Yeah.
They even asked, did the bomb drop in Kaswa?
Who said that?
Oh, yes, I'll show you the video.
Oh, how?
That's what they said, that we should keep quiet. A war in Ukraine is about 8,000 kilometers.
And that's
Iran is 9,700 kilometers. It's further away from Ghana. So why are we talking about Iran? If Ukraine, that is closer to us, cannot affect us, how can Iran affect us? But you see, in a can kasa you say, oh, we of one side, no I then wash one side. In opposition, they spoke. Oh, how can Ukraine war affect our petrol prices? And yesterday I read a very beautiful piece from Long explaining how an exogenous factor can affect African or the African continent, the impact in terms of crude prices affecting our petrol prices on the domestic market, in terms of how it can affect what he called FX impact. Those are the realities, but we were told to keep quiet. Now the chicken are coming home to roost because guess what? Crude prices have gone up.
In the last 24 hours?
In the last 24 hours.
Okay.
What it means is that in the next pricing window, petrol prices will go up.
And you don't expect the NDC to talk?
They can't. They dare not. They dare not. Because they have told us.
Unfortunately, our time is actually up, so I'm just sharing the time small. But Kofi, I think you have made the point quite clear.
Very clear.
They dare not. I don't expect you to talk. So let me go to go to Vicky.
Well, we all know.
Chile wa dwe mame e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Media. Accra.